Welcome to episode 3 of the Bear Ambo Project. In previous episodes, we introduced you to OSO, the Bear Ambo, a 2012 Demers Class 3 ambulance that we are converting into a mobile, off-grid tiny home. In this episode, we continue the demolition of the interior of OSO's cave prior to sending OSO out for cosmetic upgrades. So let's return to the Polar Mobility Shop, dive into the back of the bus, and continue tearing OSO apart. Nice LED lights, and they're on a dimmer switch. Bonus! So anybody that's planning to convert a van, be very, very aware of the fact that they are not cleaned out very well all that often, and a lot of medical debris, hypodermic, intravenous stuff is left behind. So you have to be really, really careful and make sure you get all that cleaned out. So this is where the window is going to go. We're just in the process of cutting out the hole for the window. So here's Jeff using a high-tech template to get the perfect radius for the corner cuts on the window.
Gotta make sure the lid's tight.
High-tech tool, connect the dots. A window!
Another piece. Space. Well, the jigsaw, the blade's too long. It's going to hit the outside wall. So I put a piece of wood on it so that the blade would only go so far into the wall. It's a little hard to cut straight, but it worked. I'm going to come out here in just a second. It's all glued in with tape. There we go. More room. Well, we just figured out we can take this piece off pretty easy. It looked like it was solid, but it is glued on, and it's a cover.
Amazing what you can do with a knife and a screwdriver.
See me with a hammer.
I've seen you with a hammer.
Try to preserve this if we can put it back so it looks good. Then we can get in at those bolts. Interesting little clip. It's got a hole. It's got a little hole and you just pull it up and the pin comes up.
Also, the Bear Ambo is now ready to go to the body shop to be prepped for a fresh coat of hot sprayed polyurethane protective coating. Catch the next episode of the Bear Ambo Project to watch this amazing transformation take place. Coming soon to the Hog Tide Rising channel.